In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and use the Phantom Wallet. Whether you're new to managing your digital assets or just curious about using a secure wallet, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process. So, let's get started. First, we'll need to head over to the Play Store. Open up the Play Store on your device and use the search bar at the top to type in Phantom. Once you've typed in the name, hit search, and you'll see Phantom Wallet in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to bring up the app page. With the app page open, you'll notice the download button. Click Download to begin the installation of the Phantom Wallet on your device. This step should take just a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, look for the Open button and give it a click to launch the wallet. As the Phantom Wallet opens for the first time, you'll encounter a welcome screen. To proceed, you'll need to acknowledge that you agree to the terms of service. You'll find a button that says, I agree to the terms of service. Make sure to click it so you can move on to choosing your wallet setup. Now, Phantom offers you two convenient options here. If you're already a Phantom Wallet user and have an existing account, you would click I already have an account. But for today's tutorial, we'll focus on starting fresh, so let's click on Create a new wallet. The next step involves linking your wallet with an email. Click Continue with email, and you'll be prompted to select the email you wish to connect. Simply choose the email account you prefer to use with your new Phantom Wallet. Once you've done that, just follow the prompts on your screen. The interface will guide you through any remaining steps to successfully create your wallet. After completing the setup process, you'll arrive at your new wallet's homepage. This serves as your go-to dashboard for all things related to your digital assets. Here, you'll clearly see your tokens displayed and you'll gain access to several key features. These include receiving tokens, sending them to others, swapping, and even buying additional tokens directly through the wallet. And there you have it, your very own Phantom Wallet, set up and ready to go. Whether you're using it for storing, trading, or purchasing, this versatile tool is now at your fingertips. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with the Phantom Wallet. Remember, security and ease of use are just a few of the reasons so many people choose this particular option for managing their digital currency. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring the potential of your new Phantom Wallet.